I am going to be using 2 small Irish potatoes. I am making 1 serving, so you can always double triple this recipe. So here I'm just cutting the Irish potatoes in bite sizes. So try to cut them the same size so that they can cook evenly. So before I peel them, I wash them very well, then I pat dry it. You can cut them a little bigger if you choose, but I like this size. I am going to be using a small piece of carrot. This is about half of a medium-sized carrot, so I washed and peeled it as well. So I'm going to be cutting the carrot, I should say, in small pieces. So try to cut them the same size so that they can cook evenly. I am also going to be using 2 chicken Vienna sausage. You can use frankfurter if you like, or any sausage of your choice. You can use more sausages, guys. So I'm just cutting them in small pieces, but try to do them evenly. These are the natural seasonings that I'll be using. Some scallion, red and green, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, white onion, tomato. I have garlic there, but I'm not going to use the garlic. If you are a garlic lover, you can go ahead and use it, but I changed my mind about the garlic, so that's why I'm not adding it to mine. So here I have some oil in my frying pan, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So you can use the oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil. So after the oil has been heated, I'm going to add all the seasoning. Then I'm going to saute them for about 1 to 2 minutes on a very low flame. So when you saute the seasonings, they bring out the flavors and they come together. So after I'm finished sauteing the seasoning, I am going to add the sausages. After I add the sausage, I'm going to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm doing this on a medium flame. Here I am adding a little black pepper, about half teaspoon. So at this point it is finished cooking, so I'm going to remove it from the pot, but we're going to be using the same pot to saute the potatoes and the carrots. So after I remove them, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. After it has been melted, I am going to add the potato and the carrot. After you add the potato and the carrots, ensure that they have enough space to fry, because at times I'm going to flip them, so I'm doing this on a medium flame. You don't want to have the flame too high and then they start to get color before they start to cook, so the medium flame is perfect for them. I am going to be adding a little salt. I used salted butter, so we have to add a little salt, because if you had too much salt then it's going to be very salt. Remember, the sausage has salt already, so if you're using the salted butter, go low on the salt. So here I'm just adding some black pepper. I am going to saute the potato and the carrots for about 5 to 7 minutes, but remember to turn them occasionally. If you test the potatoes and the carrots and they are soft and it doesn't have the color that you like, probably you like your potatoes to have a high brown color, you can up the flame at that point, but ensure that they cook properly first. The potato and carrots are soft, so I'm going to add the sausage and the sauteed vegetables back into the pot. I am going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. If you don't like it, you can leave it out, but for me it gives it a nice taste, maybe because I love tomato ketchup, but as I said, if you don't like it, you can leave it out. Also, the ketchup gives it a nice pretty color, so that's why I add it as well. And tomato ketchup, it gives things an additional flavor. My stir fry pan potatoes are ready. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to tap the subscribe button. Also like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.